guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a crispy skin chicken with avocado and quinoa. We'll start with chicken first. So I have got one chicken breast and I will rub the lime on the top of chicken skin, and then we'll season with salt and black pepper.
We'll rub one lime on chicken breast and then we'll season with salt and black pepper.
And then we'll pencil it, and later on we'll bake that in oven at 220 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes and make sure it's a preheated oven.
We'll throw some olive oil in a pan and then we'll seal the skin side first and season lightly another side of the chicken. Now we'll turn the chicken around and seal it for another 5 to 6 minutes in a medium heat. We'll use a tongue and try to seal all the sides of the chicken equally. Now we'll apply some oil spray in a base and keep our chicken breast in a baking tray and bake it for 25 minutes in an oven. Now in the same pan we'll add some oil and start with sliced onions. We'll saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll add some chopped garlic. We'll give a nice stir. And then we'll add some diced mushrooms. We'll mix them well and we'll cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Then season them with salt and cracked black pepper. Now we'll add a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and a teaspoon of light soy sauce. We'll give a quick mix again and then we'll add a cup of water. We'll mix this and then we'll simmer it for 7 to 8 minutes. Now we'll take one avocado and dice them roughly. And then we'll keep it straight in a bowl and chop some fine coriander to add on the avocado mix. Almost done, and now we'll add a cup of pre-cooked quinoa. We'll give a quick mix and then we'll add a tablespoon of yogurt. All done, we'll get straight away into the plating.
So guys, finally our healthy crispy chicken recipe is ready, and I hope you guys really enjoy this cooking process. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment for more of our main recipes. Thank you.